Porcupines are nocturnal herbivores found in North and South America. They possess approximately 30,000 sharp quills on their backs, which are modified hairs with microscopic barbs. Contrary to popular belief, porcupines cannot shoot their quills but use them for defense. When threatened, they raise their quills, hiss, and back into predators. Quills can become deeply embedded in an attacker's skin, causing painful injuries. Porcupines are skilled climbers and excellent swimmers, able to cross rivers effortlessly. They primarily feed on bark, leaves, and plants. These solitary creatures have a slow metabolism and are known for their gentle, lumbering nature.